Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant glam Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my customer affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some of these little silver mini Christmas ornaments. You'll need 2 of these silver napkin rings. You're going to need 1 round glass candle holder plate and some sort of a mini vase of your choice. I'm going to be using this fishbowl shape here. And I have a round mirror, which I may or may not be using, but we'll see as we continue on. Now, if I decide to use any additional items, I will have them listed in the description box below for you as well. We're also going to need some hot glue. If you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make the items permanent. That's what we need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this simple and elegant Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. It is a little bit early for Christmas decor, but if you have a number of centerpieces that you need to make, as I do, I can go ahead and get a jump start on them early, get them stored away, and then all I have to do is plop and place them into position come the holidays. So let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.